When Mary and Morgan traded life in Raleigh, North Carolina for this acreage by the lake, it was a tough sell for Morgan at first.
Mary had been looking at houses. I was definitely not interested in moving, and she called me to take a look at it.
We walked in the door and just immediately both fell in love. The living space of this house is 1,350 square feet. I love the privacy of this neighborhood. I love the seclusion.
We've got the lake right behind us. You and I can go down to the lake anytime and paddle. There's just so much to do here.
At first, this house was perfect for just the two of us.
But things are different now. Mary and Morgan recently adopted Emily and Giovanni, and the house doesn't work for them as a family of 4.
We don't all fit. It's not functional, and we need a bigger space that's much more open. That kitchen is small. There's not enough storage space. We've had to buy extra pieces to make up for the lack of pantry. We need an open space where we can entertain and have fun.
I think it's an easy fix just to take the wall out and open up the kitchen.
We've been here for almost 5 years, and the kitchen is still the same. We have this amazing contemporary house and no welcoming front door. It has a fireplace and the chimney, and it's ugly.
I wouldn't mind getting rid of the chimney.
What house does not have a front door?
One that has 2 not front doors.
To get into the house, we have to either come in through the basement or we have to come in through our dining room. And I have a problem with that.
We can move our dining room.
Our master bathroom is fairly small, and it is a shared bathroom between us and our daughter. Hold on, Morgan. I want a true master bedroom with our own bathroom.
It's easy to just add a bathroom here.
It is not easy to add a bathroom, Morgan.
But we have a nice private bathroom in the basement.
The basement doesn't have a real bathroom, Morgan. The basement bathroom is essentially a closet that was turned into a bathroom.
I hear the problems that Mary's bringing up, but they aren't really things that bother me about the house.
With the exception of a partially finished basement, the kids have no play space. There is a need for a space where they can do homework and play with their friends that's not here central in our living room.
They can go outside. I spent all the time outside when I was a kid.
Caught one.
It's a great lot. It's on the lake. It's just not good for us anymore. And it is time for us to go.
Mary, I love you, but I'm not leaving.
I've done an evaluation on your home. Current value is $300,000.
Sounds a little low.
$300,000 really is based on a lot of upgrades that are required, possibly even beyond what Hilary's capable of, which is where I come in. Now, what is the list of must-haves to get you out of this house?
An open concept kitchen and living room, 4 bedrooms, at least 3 bathrooms, a bonus room for the kids, a 2-car garage, a large private lot in the woods near a body of water.
Body of water be like a swimming pool?
If it's a large one.
Okay, what is the budget for the new house?
$480,000.
All right, that sounds good. Over to you.
Okay, so if this house had everything that you needed, would you be even standing here having this conversation with me?
I would not.
So tell me what I need to give you so that you will decide to love it.
Create a front door, renovate and open the kitchen and living room, remove the fireplace and chimney, create a larger master bedroom and ensuite, create a laundry room, create a guest bedroom, create a bonus space for the kids, and finally, create a full bathroom in the basement.
Honestly, there isn't a single thing you've asked me for that I wouldn't want to do in this house, but I need to know how much money I have. What's my budget?
Your budget is $155,000.
Excellent. I'm really confident that I'm going to make this house work the way you need it to, and when I'm done, you're going to love it.
Nope, I think you know it's time to move.
Nice space.
But it doesn't function. So starting with the kitchen,
What happened to the kitchen?
Morgan decided to do all of the demolition himself.
Wonderful to hear, actually.
Yeah. My plan is to blow out these walls and relocate the laundry, and then incorporate that area into the kitchen. Put a great big island into this space, and I will have cabinetry continue everywhere that I can find.
That's cool.
You know what, while we're here, I just want to show you what's going on upstairs. So that's the master bedroom, that's a bathroom, that's the second bedroom upstairs, which is occupied by their daughter, Emily. They've got a second child, Gio, that's his bedroom. I want to get the children upstairs and bring the parents down here.
Let's take a look.
All right, so this is Gio's old bedroom. Out of this space, I'm going to create the most beautiful master ensuite. A nice freestanding tub right here, really big shower.
All right.
And in the old closet area, that becomes my double vanity. And then a little access into...
The master bedroom.
Yes,
But Hilary, that's a sunroom.
That was the sunroom. It's now going to be the master bedroom. New access point from the master ensuite right there where those shelves are. This wall and that bank of windows will be closet space, and I maintain all the natural light.
You know this is a lot of money.
I know that it's going to be expensive, but this is what I want.
What Hilary wants, Hilary gets.
Elsewhere in town, David's hunt for Mary and Morgan's forever home remains a work in progress. Despite feeling confident about his options earlier, he's yet to come up with a suitable alternative.
Like, is this a neighborhood you're kind of familiar with?
This is my first time in the neighborhood, but it's actually close to our neighborhood. It's very traditional.
Yes, but not so much inside. So what do you think?
Looking for something a bit more open.
Okay. Let's go. What do you think of the house from the outside?
Sort of cookie cutter.
Right behind you, access to your two-car garage.
I don't think we could have a boat and the cars in here, though.
This whole area is like full of large lots.
This is definitely our style.
What do you think?
There's no lake.
You know, it's gonna be very difficult for me to find something where you can just walk to the lake.
That's my hope.
So what do you think?
It's a lot of house for us. We don't need a huge house. We need a more practical house. But David's gonna need to do some work to find that.
I've got a fantastic house for Mary and Morgan. 3,300 square feet, no work to be done. Beautiful open concept main floor. Then you have a beautiful main floor master bedroom and a beautiful master bath to go along with it. On top of that, 1.5 acres. I think they're gonna love it.
I'm so excited. This is lovely.
Now, in terms of location, 10 minutes to the lake.
I'd love to be a little closer, but I like the look of the house.
Let's go. Come on in.
Wow.
It's pretty unique.
There are some really interesting features, and we are just in the foyer. This is amazing.
I'm liking it so far.
Then you have the main area with these incredible ceilings.
Wow.
I know. And it's open.
Don't feel claustrophobic. It's not cookie cutter.
And I mean, look at this kitchen.
Look at the island.
I know.
That's huge. I think it actually has enough counter space for Mary.
Have a look at the screened-in porch.
I could see us spending a lot of time out here.
And I love the backyard.
I like the trees.
I'm excited to see the rest.
Okay, let's continue with the main floor. We're gonna head right that way. So, mudroom, access to your two-car garage.
We have a little more garage space where we are, but having it attached is nice.
Your main floor laundry room.
Great.
All right.
That's a plus.
Your dedicated guest room.
It's just big enough to be comfortable, but not so big that they'll want to stay forever.
Exactly. And right next door, they have their own bathroom.
It's sharp.
Great.
Let's go have a look at your master bedroom.
I love it.
I think it's going to be hard for Hilary to top it.
I don't know what's through this door, but I'm really excited.
So you tell me what you think. Look at the tub.
Oh, wow.
I look at
Isn't that crazy? It's like a work of art.
It
It's
really
like a
is.
little boat.
Wow.
Double sinks, separate shower.
Huge.
That's nice.
Let's head upstairs. Oh, I think it's over already. Nice wide stairway to get stuff up. This will be Gio's bedroom.
This is great. This is perfect.
Yeah.
Let's keep going. Emily's bedroom,
Wow.
which is a good size, and it's got everything that she will need.
Wow.
Wow.
The kids' bonus room.
Wasn't expecting that.
I bet you weren't.
A little bit better than we have.
Right. What do you think this house is listed at?
$500,000.
What do you think?
$560,000.
This house is listed at $499,000.
Nothing's going to beat our actual location,
Right.
but it's definitely close.
It has everything we need, and it has what we need down the line.
What do you think? Transformation.
It's like a new house. We had no idea what it was going to look like in the new colors.
It looks great.
Great. Okay, that's such a good start. Now, I'm hoping your expectations are really high because I just know we're going to meet them. Okay. All right, let's go.
Oh, wow. Oh, my God. This does not look like the same basement. Definitely doesn't feel basement-y.
It's really amazing.
There's a kid's space here, as you can see. A nice place to do homework. You can have their pals over here. In a pinch, kids can certainly sleep on this sofa.
This is
Oh,
amazing.
great.
You did a really great job.
All right, so laundry.
Yeah.
wow.
Oh my goodness.
It's a laundry room.
I mean, we put things here, but that's your folding counter right there.
This is everything we need right in this space.
Works?
Works.
Okay, so now moving on. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Hidden behind this sliding door.
Oh. Wow.
Get out of here.
That is nice.
This is great. This is huge.
Nice. This is my new bathroom. Cool shower, too.
This is perfect.
All right, so time to look at your master bedroom. In you go.
Oh, wow.
This was our sunroom.
Wow. Can't believe how big it is.
It's quiet. This is your sanctuary.
This is wonderful.
You each have your own closet.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
This is great.
Okay, so now time to check out the ensuite.
Cool.
Oh my.
Wow, this is awesome.
This is the most beautiful tub I've ever seen.
The great thing about this is that Gio is now upstairs and Emily is now upstairs and they have their bathroom and their space.
I can't wait to see what's next.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
We all know that this fireplace was a huge bone of contention for you. And I feel that it's no longer an eyesore with all the neutrals around it, setting it off.
I like that.
Yeah.
Let's go into the kitchen because that was also a huge big deal for you.
Whoa. Holy kitchen.
Wow.
Is that big enough for you?
You have nothing but storage everywhere. This lovely big island.
Wow.
That's awesome. Did you see the instant hot water that was on your list?
Wow. Thank you.
This is your big space for family gatherings. They can be sitting at the table.
It is absolutely perfect.
David showed Mary and Morgan a home that has enough bedrooms and bonus space for the whole family, as well as ample space for guests. And it also has a front door. But he couldn't find them the kind of lakeside location that they currently enjoy. Hilary couldn't give Mary and Morgan a welcoming front entrance, and a dedicated guest room had to be nixed due to the regulations for the septic system. But she did give them a private master bedroom retreat, a basement bonus space with a full bath, and she transformed their main floor living area into an open space for entertaining.
Decision made?
Tough decision made.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to love it.
Oh, how wonderful.
Yes.
You love that house.
Hilary made this our dream house.
The kitchen and our master suite is just over the top.
I'm really pleased that this is what you chose.
Yes, it's home.
All right, should we head out the front door? Oh, wait a minute. No, we're going this way.
You're hilarious.